Want to get the most out of your workout and avoid injuries? It all starts with a good stretch. In this video, we'll guide you through a 5-minute daily stretching routine to warm up your muscles, improve flexibility, and prepare your body for exercise. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or working out at home, these stretches are a must. Let's get started. Number 1. Neck circle and side stretch. First up, let's loosen up your neck and shoulders with neck circles and side stretches. Slowly roll your head in a circular motion, first clockwise, then counterclockwise. Next, tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear toward your shoulder, and hold for a few seconds. Repeat on the other side. This stretch relieves tension and improves mobility in your neck and shoulders. Perfect for those long days at the desk. Number 2. Arm circles. Next, we have arm circles to warm up your shoulders and arms. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles, gradually increasing the size. After 10 to 15 seconds, reverse the direction. This simple move improves shoulder flexibility and gets your blood flowing. Number 3. Dynamic back stretch. Now let's stretch your back with a dynamic back stretch. Stand tall and interlace your fingers in front of you. Round your back as you push your hands forward, then return to the starting position. This stretch targets your upper and lower back, preparing your spine for movement. Number 4. Dynamic chest. Stretch time to open up your chest with a dynamic chest stretch. Clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms. Lift your chest and gently pull your hands away from your back. This stretch improves posture and counteracts the effects of slouching. Number 5. Opposite touches. Next, we have opposite touches to engage your core and improve coordination. Stand tall and reach your right hand toward your left foot, then switch sides. Keep your movements controlled and your core engaged. This stretch also warms up your hamstrings and lower back. Number 6. Hip circle. Let's loosen up your hips with hip circles. Place your hands on your hips and make circular motions with your pelvis. Go clockwise for 10 to 15 seconds, then switch directions. This stretch is great for improving hip mobility and flexibility. Number 7. Slopes towards. Now let's stretch your sides with slopes toward stretches. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and reach one arm overhead. Lean to the opposite side, feeling the stretch along your torso. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. This stretch targets your obliques and improves lateral flexibility. Number 8. Bodyweight Windmill. Next, we have the Bodyweight Windmill to stretch your hamstrings and improve balance. Stand with your feet wide apart and reach one hand toward the opposite foot. Keep your legs straight and your core engaged. Switch sides after each rep. This dynamic stretch also warms up your lower back and hips. Number 9. Stepback Arm Circle. Finally, let's combine movement and stretching with step-back arm circles. Step one foot back while circling your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This full body stretch improves coordination and prepares your entire body for exercise. And there you have it, a 5-minute daily stretching routine to kickstart your workout. By incorporating these stretches into your routine, you'll improve flexibility, prevent injuries, and get the most out of your exercise. Remember, consistency is key, so make this a daily habit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.